we'll be talking about some things about chatbots that is very, very important. And most of the time, it's always needed when someone is working with chatbots. So this is my own ManyChat account, and this is my own ManyChat account, and I will be talking about two things that are very important. How do you connect ChatGPT? How do you connect ChatGPT to ManyChat if you want to use AI in your chatbot? And the second thing is when you are looking at collecting users' data, you want to maybe ask a user for first name, ask a user for last name, and you don't just want to store it in one. You just you don't just want to store it inside ManyChat alone, but you also want it to go to where? You also want it to go to a database, and we are going to be using this Excel Google Sheet for our tutorial today. Now, but first, let's connect ChatGPT. Now, the first thing that you are going to do is uh, go to OpenAI platform.openai.com. Now, once you get to the platform.openai, you just need to log in to your own personal account. And let me just continue with Google. So let's see. There's an error. Let me try signing up again. Alright, so this is my account. Now, once you get to this place, the first thing you have to do is go to your dashboard, and on your dashboard, you see API key, and from your API key, you can generate a new API key by naming it service account. And this one is just my own account. Can see this is uh, chatbot bot test sub project and name it default project. Now I can receive permission, blah 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 blah. This one will be only to model, only to chat complete. So these are like these are like the endpoints, and I can add a read only. But this one I want to enable all permission from this API key. So once I create the API key, it will take some time. You ask me to copy it, so I can copy it and then use it. So that is how you get your own ChatGPT API key. And once you come to ManyChat and you want to integrate it to your ManyChat, then you have to come to this place, come to integration, and come to the integration tab, go to settings, then go to integration tabs, and then to this place, ChatGPT API, and just paste your API. So you make sure that everything is correct, no need of bearer. So just make sure the API key is correct, and then you can copy it. You can click connect. So this one, everything is connected successfully, and you can use it. So there are other things that you can also connect. You can connect to Clevio directly, and you can connect to Active Campaign. You can connect to Mailchimp, Hotspot CRM, and I'm going to be looking into how you are going to do all these things step by step. Now let's look at Google Sheet at the next step now. Alright, so for the Google Sheet, just click on connect Google Sheet. So it's going to take you directly to sign in where you give permission to your Google Sheet account. So click on next, and you need to set allow all. I would like all. Then the other one continue, allow. So I can say allow. So I've connect. This is the best way to connect it. So there also another way as well. So let's learn how to use it just real quick. So what are the use cases? Um, so if you come to your home, you can come to your automation. Let's create a test automation. So you can start from a template. There are a lot of templates, send event reminder, blah 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 blah, launch new product, direct customer. So but let's just start from scratch. Let's start from scratch and I have to name it our test project. So the basic thing I need to add a trigger, maybe user comment on my this thing, Instagram messenger, someone clicks. So I already connected some of this. So I'll say when a user send message on my this thing, Telegram. So this is what I want on my Instagram. So this is what is going to happen. Uh, so this is what is going to. It sends a message. I can say thank you. Say thank thank you for reaching out to me. How thank you for reaching out to me. So this will be the first message, for instance. Let's assume I want to collect the user's phone number. I can say, what is your phone number? Then the other thing that I need to know is that I don't need to just use a simple text. I need to use a data collection. So I can paste it. Just data collection enables to collect data from users, maybe to request for something from users. So the other thing is that we are going to do now is we can put an action what to happen whenever the distance when the user types in his phone number. We can see under this place because we've installed this. These are different apps that have installed. So you can see Google Sheets, you can see ChatGPT, you can see Zapier, Trigger, you can see other ones. But this is the one we are looking at. You can say insert a row, you can say get new. So but we need to insert a row. We want to insert something. We are putting something into it. So they'll choose a spreadsheet. So the best thing you do is to come here to create a new spreadsheet for this specifically. I can say this is my spreadsheet. I can say many charts. So the name of this spreadsheet is I can name it many charts. No, many charts bot test. And this one will be name, phone number, and address and email. So if you go back to this place, and so this one I can cancel it for now. Then I come to this action. Then I can see many chat test. So I can see it now. And they will ask me for the worksheet. So you can have different worksheets. You can rename your worksheet. So this one can be user details and you can create more worksheets. So the other one, what I will do is select the if I come here now and I say this is a worksheet one, not found because I've changed the name and not found. So let me cancel it and do it again so that I can be able to refresh. So I can see this. So user details and I can see we have name, we have this. Now, which data do you want to collect from this place from a user? Now, before I can say I want to collect the phone number of a user. So the phone number of a user, then this one I can say, okay, this should be the first name, this should be the phone number, and this should be the name. So this one is the name, first name. Let me use first name as the main name so I can save it. Now, but before this one can work, what you have to do is as well is in this place, content to reply to can reply to. This one is replying to phone number, save phone number. So it's going to save the phone number. Then um, maybe this one replies to phone number. Then this one can also say when the user types in this, you can add a delay, for instance. You can add a delay, no need of delay, or you can add another flow and for data collection and say what is your name. So this one can have what is your name, and don't mind, I'm just using this for tutorial. So this one can say I'm using first name for the main this thing. So choose the next step, blah 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 blah. So that is it. So this one will trigger when someone this thing. uh if someone this, then we can add a new step that says maybe Instagram, we can say thank you for providing your details, or something. Now, if you preview it here now, you are going to have what is your phone number. I can say my phone number is 07040890888. I'm in Nigeria. So what is my name? My name is Felix. Felix. This is test. I'm not sure if it is going to show here because we are just testing it. So, but if you publish it, it's going to take the data down to this place, and you are going to see it correctly as it is here. So that is how to do it. If you have any question, you can reach out to me.